Hi everyone, so today we're going to take a deep dive into this home cleaning equipment, the Tineco Floor 1 S5. It is a cordless wet or dry vacuum that promises to revolutionize hard floor cleaning. So whether you are a cleaning fanatic or someone who just wants to spend less time on chores, stick around to see if this might be the perfect fit for your home. And disclaimer, this is not a sponsored post, this is just my personal review and take on the Tineco Floor 1 S5. So first, let's talk about the design. So let's start from the top, the handle. There are three buttons here. We have the on-off button, a button to switch between auto mode and max mode, and the self-cleaning button. Then on top of the main body of the cleaner, there's a large round screen which displays the battery percentage as well as whether you are cleaning in max or auto mode. And then there are also a number of other symbols which light up to alert you of issues such as when the dirty water tank needs emptying or the self-clean program needs running. Then there's a light ring around the edges of the screen and it changes color depending on the level of dirt detected. And then this Tineco has a big tank, so that means you can clean for a long period of time. And with that, you can enjoy slightly more than 30 minutes of cordless runtime. And thanks to iLoop Smart Battery Automation, you can clean larger areas without interruption. So on board here, there's a dual tank system. The tanks are separate and detachable, and they are clean and dirty water tanks. So that means the clean and dirty waters are kept separately. So that means then there is continuous cleaning. And the clean water tank on the back has a capacity of 0.8 liters, and then the dirty water tank on the front has a capacity of 0.7 liters. And then at the dirty water tank, there is also a removable filter. Then we move on to the bottom. At the bottom here, we have the brush roller. The roller is simple to remove by unclicking the cover above. So the Tineco Floor 1 S5 is roughly the size of a standard upright vacuum cleaner and measures 43.3 by 10.6 by 9.8 inches, which is the height, width and depth, and it weighs in at 9.9 pounds or 4.5 kilograms when the tanks are empty. So that's the design. Now let's look at the tech spec. So Tineco uses its own smart sensors technology, which is the iLoop Smart Sensor. It takes the guesswork out of cleaning by detecting wet and dry dirt, debris, and other messes. Then the suction power, roller speed, and water flow automatically adjust to your mess. So you don't have to switch settings to adjust cleaning power. Then for the noise conscious out there, the Tineco has a low noise operation. So it runs at a low decibel of 78 decibels. So whether you want to start the day very early cleaning or very late at night after work also cleaning the house, the low noise output means you can clean comfortably without disturbing your neighbors. Alright, now that we have covered the design and the tech specs, now to the fun part, the features. The S5 is all about convenience. Whether your house floor is parquet, marble, or tile floor like ours, the Tineco Floor 1 S5 gets the job done. And you can monitor your mess with the smart iLoop display. The iLoop ring on the full color LED screen changes from red to blue. So if it's red, it means that the cleaner detected a high level of dirt, but if the LED turns to blue color, that means the floor has become clean, where the Tineco is mopping and vacuuming. And then for the brush not only makes it comfortable to clean in wide areas, but you can also clean comfortably in tight angles and corners. But the downside here is that the brush only allows for single-sided cleaning. So let's say the Tineco is between two parallel walls, it can only clean one side easily. To clean the other side, the edges, you need to turn the Tineco around. Then after you're done cleaning, another cool feature is the self-cleaning function. Simply dock the S5 at the charging dock. So the dock has quite a large footprint, measuring at 12.6 by 12.2 inches or 32 by 31 cm, which is the width and the depth. So that means you need to find floor space for the docking station. But not to worry, the docking station is not just for charging only. There's also space on the docking station for storage. So you can put the spare brush roller and filter in the docking station, and that means it won't take up any other storage space in your house. Everything is in and on the docking station. So after docking the Tineco, the AI system will detect and via voice prompting and notify that the Tineco needs cleaning.
Auto detecting whether to run self-cleaning cycle. Please begin self-cleaning cycle.
So simply press the cleaning button at the top, then the Tineco will automatically wash and dry the microfiber rollers itself.
Cleaning brush roller.
Then, after the vacuum self-cleans, the voice prompt lets you know when the dirty water tank needs emptying.
Please clean dirty water tank.
So that means you still need to do some post-cleaning maintenance. While the self-cleaning dog is awesome, you still need to empty the dirty water tank and rinse out the tank and filter after each use. So it's not a huge deal, but something to keep in mind. Then when in dock, the Tineco will automatically recharge itself.
Charging has commenced.
So this brings us to the battery life. While decent, it might not be enough for very large houses. You might need to recharge halfway through cleaning. So for us, we stay in a double-story house. So we use the Tineco upstairs and downstairs. And by the time we finish cleaning upstairs, it's already about 60% battery. So with that, you probably want to be mindful about the battery life of the Tineco. So that's it about the Tineco Floor 1 S5. So with that being said, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Is the Tineco Floor 1S5 the right fit for your home? If you're new to this channel and to this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more content like this and in real estate, investing, finance and home and living. And as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.